Oodnadatta is made up of two main aggregations. The Oodnadatta aggregation, which sits on the eastern side of the Newell Highway. It's about 34 k's north of Moree on the Newell towards Gundawindi, and we've also got Brutal Park sitting on the western side of the highway. So the total aggregation is about 32 kilometres in length as a crow flies from east to west, and comprises of about 14,000 hectares. With ag, it's all about looking after the landscape. If we look after the landscape will look after us and ultimately drive yield. So my philosophy on agriculture is one, look after that, and everything else is all about timing. So when we're running an operation this size, we need to be on time for every operation to get over the country and achieve the yields that we set ourselves each year. So we're working on a 3 metre centre controlled traffic, zero till. Our tram lines here at Oodnadatta, we're trialling 18 metres, which means everything that we do operates in an 18 metre interval. So we're spraying on 36 metres, we're planting on 18, and we're harvesting on 18. Now that creates numerous efficiencies. It's also, being a ground breaker in that area, provides a few challenges along the way, particularly around the harvesting model. So basically we've got at the moment running out in the paddock 4 headers cutting 72 metres at any particular time. To do that on the 12 metre system would take 6 machines. So you're looking at an extra 2 machines, you're looking at an extra 4 operators and an extra chaser bin to cut the same amount of crop per hectare as we're cutting at the moment. We're really driving those efficiencies with less tractors, less staff and greater productivity. We're probably the only ones at this stage that are taking it right the way through to harvesting. And it's not just the harvesting, but it's also maintaining chaser bins on that 18 metre system, keeping them on their tram lines. To do that, we're using extended catches and belt-driven catches on the chaser bin, and we also have auger extensions in the headers, all of which is operated on GPS. And so it takes a lot of the pressure of driving such big machines in precision ways out of the hands of the driver and puts it in the hands of the machine. We're trying to improve what we do on a year-on-year basis. So instead of maintaining a crop yield like we have here, we're actually looking at increasing that year-on-year and small increments, whether that is by choosing the right genetics, it's improving soil health, it's also improving our water use efficiency, which ultimately drives the system.